Peace. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano, and welcome back to another video. Now, this video is specifically for the people who are supporters of the channel. Now, if you have been a subscriber for the channel for quite some time now, or maybe you just got subscribed to the channel pretty recently, or maybe you just like the videos here on the channel. Whatever the case may be, if you like anything you see in this video and you're part of the channel, this video is definitely for you. So definitely wanted to go ahead and bring out some of my creativity, being that I'm a graphic artist and I definitely like creating different things on the graphics platform. So I just went right ahead and I put together these three logos that I wanted you to actually represent the channel. And I definitely think that if you like what you see on the channel and you're a subscriber, if you definitely like the channel art, or you're just a big supporter of the channel, or maybe you just like checking me out every single week, coming through to watch the video, I can actually get you guys one of these shirts. So what you want to do is just hit me up either by email, serranobutler@gmail.com, or just hit me up on Instagram, serranobutler on Instagram. But either case, or whatever you want to do, just if you like the channel and you want to support the channel, definitely reach out to me so I could go ahead and we can get you some merch. We definitely got these shirts just for me to for when I'm on the channel, but I definitely, if anybody wants a shirt or wants to check one out for themselves, I definitely want you to have the option to get one. So the ways you get it is just by hitting me up on Instagram or just hitting me up on my email. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every last one of you. You guys are the real MVPs for coming back every single day and supporting the channel, clicking that like button and showing your appreciation. It's your boy Serrano, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.